Next po, nandito ba si Commissioner Lipana?
Wala po. He is on medical leave, Your Honor.
He is on medical leave. I will ask the commission still. Definitely, meron naman ho kayong impormasyon eh. Totoo ba na yung asawa ni Commissioner Lipana ay ang President and General Manager ng Olympus Mining and Builders Group na nakapag-secure ng 200 million peso worth ng DPWH flood control project?
Thank you for the question, Your Honor. Actually po, based on media reports, yun po ang aming nag-gather.
Based on
Media reports.
media reports?
Yes.
Kayo po, as commission,
Lumalabas po na yun nga po. Ganun po.
so totoo na asawa, President and General Manager. So na-award yung mga yan while Commissioner ng Commission on Audit, etong si Commissioner Lipana. The very same commission tasked to audit DPWH projects. Tama ho ba?
Yes, I think so, Your Honor.
So, tama po ba na may paglabag yan sa batas natin, RA 6713, Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards, na pinoprohibit ang mga opisyal natin na magkaroon ng financial or material interest in transactions that fall under the office's jurisdiction?
Your Honor's personal na position ko po, there's a potential conflict of interest po.
So yan po ang punto ko, Mr. Chair. Ngayon, napuput into question yung integridad ng buong komisyon. Kasi yung isang commissioner nyo, may asawa na kontraktor na nakapag-secure at nakapag-bag ng mga proyekto. So what's the comment of the Commission on Audit? Papaano kaya to?
Sir, based on records po, nakapag-issue naman na po ng notice of disallowance yung auditor natin. Relevant dun sa mga transactions po nung asawa po.
Next question. Since you have admitted on record na meron ng potential conflict
Yes.
of interest, meron na bang ginawa na internal investigation ang Commission on Audit patungkol dito kay Commissioner Lipana?
May I remind the
Yes po. Yes, Mr. Chair. I'm wrapping
to
up.
wrap up the questions.
Okay, simula po nung nalaman po namin yung matter na yon from media reports, ay nag-issue po ang Commission on Audit ng sector and cluster issued General Audit Instructions on October 9, 2024 and October 15, 2024. Ang guidelines po namin is yung mga audit team leaders, as necessary, ay dapat po i-consider ang priority areas. Lalong-lalo na po yung mga lumalabas in general naman po, hindi namin in specific controversial media items or issues, subject of legislative inquiry or succeeding COA issuances. So yun po, kung lumabas yun, dapat po ay mahagip yung mga projects na yun. Tapos ito po ay the supervising auditor issued specific audit instructions echoing the above instructions on November 29, 2024. So kung nakita po yun ng ating mga auditors, ay meron po instructions na kumbaga bigyan po ito ng pansin.
Mr. Chair, I'm just wrapping up po. So yan po yung pinupunto natin. Yung integridad ng Commission on Audit ay napuput into question, especially at this point in time na naglalabasan yung mga anomalous and ghost flood control projects. Kasi yung isa sa mga commissioner ng Commission on Audit na inatasan na magtiyak na yung mga pondo ng mamamayan natin ay natitiyak na napupunta doon sa intended project, may conflict of interest. So kaya inaasahan po namin sa Commission on Audit na maglulunsad ng investigasyon, partikular dito halimbawa kay Commissioner Lipana.